кількості інгредієнтів. Здебільшого це цукор, але не стандартний цукор, не звичайний цукор, а
Thermometer, it's like this. Okay, you have
між пальцями. Існує цукор. Коли
120 degrees Celsius. You can make a ball. Okay. You use this temperature when you make a lot of meringue and something like that. Okay. After 145 degrees Celsius.
Коли температура досягає 145 градусів,
You can start to break a little bit your piece of sugar when you add. Okay?
можна вже починати розбивати маленькі кульки цукру.
After when I cook my sugar, I explain to you. And then when 65 degrees Celsius,
165 градусів Цельсія виникає карамель.
what's the property of the caramel? You change the color and you change the flavor.
Та смак.
Interesting. Why? Because this product don't take any color.
Цей продукт не змінює колір.
Donc it's good.
Бажаєте зробити
You cannot make blue color with the caramel. It's never possible.
Ви не можете досягти голубого кольору з карамелью.
You know why? Because when you cook your sugar, if you put blue color in the caramel, blue and yellow, it stays green.
Коли ви готуєте за допомогою карамелю, синій колір перетворюється на синій за допомогою карамелю жовтого кольору, перетворюється на зелений, тому що це не синій.
With this product, it's very easy also, and it's a new product. It's very easy to cook.
Цим продуктом дуже легко готувати.
You can cook dry without water, but if you want, you can put 10% of water.
Можна кілька води.
Now I start to cook my sugar. It's not sugar, but I speak about sugar. Okay.
Зараз я починаю готувати цукор. Зігрівати.
Now be careful because induction is very quick.
Будьте осторожны, потому что...
Нагрівається дуже швидко. Важливо вимірювати температуру цукру.
Now for the isomalt, I cook at 160 degrees Celsius.
За допомогою термометра мені потрібно нагріти цукор до температури 160 градусів Цельсія.
To cook, I turn my sugar because I want melt the lamp.
А зараз цукор починає нагріватися, та я перемішую все для того, щоб виявилася однорідна маса.
I put some more inside. Alors we have some rule. Okay, today we are making a small showpiece. Showpiece sugar because it's very popular everywhere. Everybody like showpiece sugar. Alors showpiece sugar is good, but normally showpiece. Okay, showpiece is a big sculpture, a small sculpture with.
Сьогодні ми будемо робити маленькі скульптури, шопіс з цукром всередині.
Alors, when you make a sculpture like this, you have some rule. You have some rule. It's exactly like nature rule. Imagine my showpiece is like this. Alors, I want to make something special today. We have the logo from the university. I want to put the logo in my showpiece. Okay? Alors, you cut exactly what you want to put inside.
Треба відрізати фігуру, яку ви хочете положити всередину цієї
I show you that because sometimes it's very interesting for the pastry chef when you have a cake and you want to make a presentation with the logo.
Коли треба зробити презентацію з логотипом компанії.
Alors, it's good. Okay? Okay. Alors, you see, you make the détourage. Okay? You cut like this, hop, hop, everywhere. Okay, now it's your job. Okay, here you need to just cut. Well, it's not very difficult, but it takes time. It's very interesting. You know that you have some here maybe. It's very interesting because nothing stick on this.
А до цієї серветки нічого не прилипає.
Okay? You put what you want, nothing sticks. It's very interesting.
Звичайно, питання ви можете задавати.
After this one, it's a sugar lamp. Okay?
Це лампа для цукру.
It's a lamp for sugar. Like this, when you pull your sugar, because after I pull my sugar,
Треба розтягувати цукор.
you put under the lamp. And after you can make what you want.
Кладете під лампу, та після цього ви можете робити всі фігурки, які заважають.
Because on the induction, make a little like this.
Для нерівності на поверхні.
That's why I push.
Скульптуру таку.
All the elements, like a bird, a butterfly, what you want, you put the first tier. 1, 2, 3.
Всі елементи ви робите пошагово, поетапно.
Imagine you have a bird and you have a fish to put in your sculpture. Where you put the bird?
Наприклад, вам треба рибу покласти до скульптури.
You put your bird here. Why? Because if one bird arrive in this room, you come here. Of course.
Якщо сюди залетить, птиця, вона прилетить до верху.
And if you have one fish to put in your showpiece, you need to put here.
Рибу покласти, то вона буде знизу.
Everybody laugh, of course. But a lot of competition, I arrive, and you have the fish here, and you have the bird here.
На деяких
Not normal.
змаганнях, на яких я був, люди міняють місцями рибу та птицю. Але це не є вірно.
Donc all the time you have the sea, you have the ground, and you have the air here. And you need to have some degree.
Є море, є земля, там небо. Це
Also, when you put some flower in your showpiece, you need to put your flower at this level.
коли ви, наприклад, квітку розташовуєте в цьому шоплі, треба розташувати
But-
на цьому місці.
All the student is afraid when you have a showpiece sugar like this, because I'm afraid to put my flower on the top, because maybe I break. For sure you break your sculpture, but when you are in your house and you have a jug like this, okay, but you don't put the flower on the ground. We put the flower on the ground only when somebody dies.
Квітку,
not the case,
коли робиться скульптура, ніхто не повинен класти вниз, тому що це означає, що хтось помер.
Alors also, be careful the symbol. The symbol is very, very important.
Символіка є дуже важливою.
You won't make comment on dit une étoile? Star.
А якщо ви хочете зробити зірочку,
Bon, everybody make a star in the showpiece like this.
всі
But
роблять зірочки в шоплі.
when you buy some cookie cutter, you have a star like this.
Коли ви придбаєте печиво, у вас зірочка така.
Be careful, because it's a symbol, this one. Okay? It's not this one. A star, it's a pentagram étoilé.
Справді, навіть зірочка виглядає так.
Okay? Alors, be careful. If you have something special to prepare for a bar mitzvah or something like that,
Якщо вам треба
Yes.
приготувати щось спеціальне,
at this moment you prepare a special star, okay? But you need to calculate that, okay? You need to understand that. Huh?
для того, щоб не зробити неправильну символіку.
I give you an example. You are pastry chef tomorrow and you work in the Middle East. You make that, you finish in Jol. Huh?
Якщо ви, наприклад, підете до Востоку, своїх гостей та про їх культуру, та не образити їх чимось.
Okay, my sugar start to cook. Good news.
Цукор починає вже закінчуватися працювати.
Now I put the thermometer inside
Треба покласти термометр.
and I check the temperature. Alors if you want, you can put the alert. Huh? But, alors 110, 11, 12. Cook very, very quickly now. Huh?
Зараз все готується дуже швидко і треба спіймати потрібні моменти.
Alors, I put 160. Okay.
60 градусів.
I put my alarm. Alors, second step. When my sugar is ready, I put here on the table because I want cool down the temperature.
Коли цукор вже буде готовий, ми положимо його на серветку, щоб зменшити температуру.
By this time, after the chef he prepare another sugar.
А шеф до цього часу приготує іншу порцію цукру.
But now we use, for the second sugar, for the second one, we use some mold like this, okay? Alors you can find this mold. I like show the mold like this to the student because it's easy to make and after you have a very good result. Okay?
В таких сліпках дуже легко зробити
With that also, you can make a very nice shape.
Допомогою цього можна зробити дуже добру тінь.
You have internet now. You can check also something very interesting, the golden number.
Також є така цікава річ, як золотий номер.
Golden number. Golden number. Somebody knows this name, this rule? No?
Golden number.
Something like that. The form geometric.
Геометрична форма,
But this form geometric is never finished.
але не скінчена.
You can make another one here and à l'infini.
Також можна ще точки зробити, але вона не скінчена.
After that, you use this rule. You check the thermometer. Huh? 150, you call me. You can check this rule. You know Da Vinci?
Yeah.
Leonardo da Vinci make a very nice painting. But also, after he make a movies like a Da Vinci Code. Huh? Everybody sees this movie, this story. But it's a story. But in this story, you have something true. Okay? It's a rule.
Є справедливо та настояще. Це правда.
Okay? Il y a quelque chose de juste, ce sont les règles. Okay? Mais tout le reste, you have something true, it's a rule. Okay? If you use this rule for your showpiece, it's nice. Why it's nice? Also, you cut an apple in the middle, it's like this. When you cut an apple, apple,
Якщо ви розрізаєте
you cut in
яблуко,
half,
то всередині буде таке.
it's exactly the same like you, like Da Vinci made. Okay?
Також зірочка, як було
Exactly
в
the
Да
same.
Вінчі.
Under the sea, you have also Étoile des mers, the star under the sea. It's
Це
exactly
також
the same.
зірочка. Як?
Outside, you found this shape. You know the escargot, something like that.
Є, я
Exactly. Under the sea, exactly the same with the coquillage. Because the shape of the nature, this one. But go to internet and check golden number. And after, you have an idea about what I said. But use this rule when you make your showpiece. Okay? Donc when it's finished, thank you very much. Wow, nice job.
Good boy.
I explain to you for make a logo. Okay? Today we make a logo with your university. Okay?
будемо робити вироб з логотипом нашого університету.
Now maybe we make it here. Check to put inside. Yay!
Ми будемо
It's working.
всередину.
Okay. Alors, on va accélérer un peu. We need to go a little faster.
Треба швидше.
Différent. No, we have time and we finish in 2 hours. Now you can put some food coloring.
Якщо бажаєте додати кольору, це можна харчовий
Alors, food coloring, it's a red color. Okay.
потрібного кольору.
I put now some red color
Зараз це червоний колір.
because I want. Alors, be careful also when you put color inside.
Також треба бути уважним, коли
When you make a rose, why you put red color inside? Red.
Якщо ви хочете рожевий, чому ви Колір чому красний, здається?
Okay.
Червоний.
Why your president take orange color for the party? Why you put red for rose? Because red it's love. When you make a showpiece for Saint Valentin, of course you give a red rose to your girlfriend, okay?
Червоний
Because
колір це кохання.
red is amour ardent. It's a love, but a lot.
Та на День Святого Валентина, коли ви хочете зробити серденько, ви робите його теж червоного
The
кольору.
color is very, very important.
Це
The
дуже
color.
важливий колір.
If you want to make a showpiece for a young girl because she make a communion or religious fête, don't put red color. Hein. You put pink, you put yellow, but slowly. In French we say pastel. Not too
Якщо ви
much.
хочете зробити подарунок для дівчини, яка є дуже молодою, треба, наприклад, використовувати рожевий колір або пастельний тона.
Color or something very flashy.
Не треба використовувати червоний колір.
Because when you make a wedding, you start in the life.
Тому що весілля – це початок сімейного життя.
For Saint Valentin, yes, you discover the love with your girlfriend or your boyfriend.
Якщо ви
It's very hard. But no, it's not a
до
joke.
Дня Святого Валентина дуже важливо брати червоний.
The color is very important.
Тому що колір взагалі дуже важливий.
Okay, my sugar.
Шати це під 4 градусів.
Degrees Celsius. Alors, if you want, hein, I say, hein,
Якщо ви бажаєте,
don't burn yourself, but you can take some sugar like this and come back. Remember when I say soft ball and something like that? Okay, now I make a soft ball. Okay?
зараз ми будемо робити
Make a-
шарик з цукру,
Okay?
але щоб...
Now I have soft ball here. Okay? But be careful, if you try at home, you need to put some ice cube before put your finger inside. You can burn
Якщо
yourself.
будете робити це вдома, треба додати холодної води, та тільки за допомогою холодної води та льоду можна засовувати руки в цю
But it's not difficult,
Але це не важко.
because sometimes it's not easy to travel with the thermometer.
Іноді важко подорожувати з термометром, тому
Depending where you are going.
це залежить від того, куди ви їдете.
Because in the plane, sometimes you have some police, he think it's a detonator for a bomb.
Іноді в аеропортах поліція вважає, що це бомба.
Okay, my sugar is ready.
Цукор готовий.
Yeah, okay.
Треба нагрітися.
Stop it. Thank you very much. Okay. Now my sugar is ready.
Зараз
I
цукор
put
готовий.
my sugar directly on the table
Я виливаю його на цю серветку на столі
and I cool down the temperature.
та охолоджую температуру.
Be careful, hein, don't burn yourself. Hop,
Треба бути обережним та не палитися.
don't touch.
C'est le reste, c'est comme moi.
Okay, we start another one. Put some water, 10%.
10% води.
Back. You turn, thermometer, boom, bada, boom. Very easy. Alors, stem the stove. Voilà. Okay, now I take care of this one. Make a small base. Now, with this one, after we make a base,
Потім ми зробимо базу.
стирку logo. Alors, normally, you use a marble, okay? Because now this table is very hot. But not a problem. If you have a marble, sometimes it's better because it stays cold, okay? Because now the table is very hot, but it's a little more long.
зараз стіл є гарячим, тому це займе більше часу.
Turn a little bit. And now I put everything all around inside. Here, here it's more cold. I change. At this moment I can open the door. Sugar in Singapore is not the same. Okay, put all around. Now I cool down the temperature. Hein? Maybe in the middle it's 120, but I use that 80 degrees Celsius, 80 degrees Celsius.
Температура, мабуть, зараз всередині сягає 120 градусів Цельсія, але треба, щоб вона зменшилася до 80 градусів.
And also with this sugar, I don't change the color.
Не змінюється колір.
Because normally with saccharose, at this temperature it's brown.
При цій температурі він коричневого кольору.
Alors if you have some question, maybe it's good.
Якщо у вас є питання, будь ласка, задавайте.
It starts to come. It's very hot now. See the plastic? And with this one we make some flower, some rose. Comme hier, 2 minutes.
Можете дивитися в дзеркало.
Okay. After that, I start to pull my sugar because when you pull your sugar, the textures change. Why it change? Because you put air inside.
Коли ви рухаєте цукор по поверхні, додається кисень внутрі та змінюється структура цукру.
But you cannot pull your sugar before 80 degrees Celsius.
Але коли температура є менше за 80 градусів Цельсія, ви не можете розтягувати змінювати форму цукру.
Alors today we can imagine we have a showpiece for the president of the school. Why not? Alors we want to make a pleasure. All the time when you make a decoration, it's for give some pleasure to somebody. Donc he's very proud to found the logo. Donc the first step, you put some sugar inside. After that, we put the logo and we put the sugar on the top.
Сьогодні ми можемо зробити приємно для нашого ректора, наприклад. Там ми можемо зробити шопки з логотипом нашого університету. Для цього слід покласти вниз цукор, потім покласти логотип, а потім зверху теж залишити цим цукром гарячим.
this one it's a cold spray. It's azote liquid. Okay? Donc it's very practical when you want to stick your caramel or your sugar. You stick all together, you use your cold spray, and it's cold immediately. Okay?
Охолодити карамель або будь-які вироби з карамелю, ви можете використовувати цей засіб, там дуже швидко охолодитися.
This one starts to cook also now. Okay. Put the thermometer inside. Cold enough.
Достатньо холодно.
Okay, this one you can choose also what kind of mold you want to choose.
Також можна обирати різні форми.
We have that. We have one leaf, a small one like this. If you enter, yes, you enter here. Okay. Use that. Also you can check, maybe the red for the flower, okay, it's good. You have some green, maybe you use some green and some yellow color, because you have some yellow color in the logo.
Червоне можна використати для квітки на логотипі, а також зелений та жовтий колір. Тому що вони теж є на логотипі.
Maybe this one when you make a little yellow, and I show you for make a ribbon with different color.
А в кінці він покаже, як робити різнокольорові ленточки.
It's very simple. Huh? When your sugar fall down like this, it's not necessary to start to pull. Okay? You start to pull your sugar when you put like this and you don't move.
Цукор вже готовий, коли ви кладете, та він не рухається. Зараз він стикає вниз, тому він ще не є готовий.
You need to put a glove.
Якщо
Okay?
температура вашого тіла є дуже високою, то треба, мабуть, одягти перчатки.
Because in the sugar you have acid. Okay? And in your transpiration you have also acid. In your body you have some acid. And sometimes it's no good. Your sugar can crystallize if the acid is not compatible.
Цукор може питатися вашу шкіру.
Yeah. And I start to pull my sugar. But after, when your sugar is ready,
Коли цукор готовий,
you need to stay under the lamp in a warm atmosphere. Now look what's happened. My sugar changed.
Цукор змінюється.
Change the color.
Change of color because it change of matière. When you take some jam and you turn your jam like this, the same process become
Джем
white.
перемішуєте, виникає той самий процес, як і зараз. Змінюється структура.
Thin. Цвет. Розовый.
Так обычно
Он стал коричневым, то есть карамельным. Когда делаешь, это сахарный сахар коричневый. Like a candy.
Alors, the first step, we prepare all the sugar,
Коли ми приготували вже цукор,
and after, when the sugar is ready, you can make what you want.
але потім, коли цукор вже готовий, можна робити все, що забажаєте з ним.
Как провода.
But now,
Коли цукор вже приготувався,
Крак.
важко.
donc I'm sure my sugar is enough cook. Because now,
Тому його можна ще розминати.
Все, цвет еще меняет.
141.
141.
For the second one,
А в каком блюде дается?
okay, my first one now is ready.
Перший вже готовий.
Put on the 15 minutes, it's okay. And I prepare the base for make my rose.
Зараз можна вже починати готувати рибу.
So now we can move a little bit. This process I block.
Другою цього спрею можна цей процес робити.
Alors, it's good for the demo, hein? But if you don't have cold spray,
Якщо у вас немає такого спрею,
you make that and you put in front of the window.
And
Voilà.
bird in the window.
Expensive method, non-expensive method. You have the choice.
у вас це впливає.
Now the temperature here is warm. Hein?
Зараз температура
Alors,
вже є висока.
3, 5, 7. It's mathematics? No, practical class. Not mathematics class. But 3, 5, 7, it's a rule. Okay? Da Vinci say 3 open, 5 gives the lighting, and 7 is just and perfect. It's a rule, it's like
And
this.
what about 3? What do you say?
And also, when you give some flower to your girlfriend, how much roses you give?
3. One.
Ви даруєте
1 or 3? Never 2. That's why. Ah oui? That's why. 3, 7, 11, it's the same. Donc, all the time, in your showpiece, you put 3 flowers. Maybe 2 big and 1 big rose.
Коли ви робите шоки, треба робити 3 квітки, одна велика та 2 менші.
55, 5 degrees more on the table. Okay, practice today. Good. Okay. In my hand. And I put under. Well, take your time, take your time. Okay. Bon. Oui, 2 minutes. Okay. Don't burn yourself. Hein. Ah!
Починаємо доклеїти.
Good assistant. Okay, stay in the middle. Yay! Good. Finish.
Finish.
In the water. You can make another one now. Another one. This one. Flower. Sugar. I put some sugar around my finger. I remove, and like this I have the shade form.
Так він робить форму, тобто накладає квітку на палець, так?
Now I put 3. You need to put more. Finish. I make the second flower exactly with the same process.
Таким же чином ми робимо другу квітку.
Now I make the heart. Now I put 3 around the heart.
Навкруги кожного робимо 3 листки.
Take your time. Because this one, after you put here. Okay, if you have some question around the decor, around. Alors, I speak with the journalist before my lunch, and the journalist said to me, "Oh, now you have some people only for make the design and the decor."
Під час ланчу він спілкувався з журналістом, та він питався, якщо в нього є люди, які займаються декором або дизайном.
But that's not true.
Але він говорить, що це неправда.
It's not possible to learn to make a decor if you don't know make the cake.
Неможливо навчитися робити декор, якщо ви не можете робити пиріг. І якщо в комусь є питання, ставте, будь ласка.
Okay. To finish the first step.
Закінчила перші кроки.
No cold. I put 2 minutes my flower in front of the window. The sugar, good. I come back on this one. I make another tour exactly the same process.
Таким чином ми зробимо ще.
Now my sugar start to be a little cold because the window is open. I can start to put
Можна дати температуру багато, оскільки холодно, а цукор починає охолоджуватися.
a little more. Hot, good. start the second one. I wait 2 minutes.
Чекаємо 2 хвилини.
I cold little bit. Now I put my paper.
Потім кладемо зверху папір з логотипом.
Alors, it's very hot, huh? And now you put your
А потім зверху
sugar on the top.
додаємо ще.
Подожди ближе, просто. Ничего не скорее. Пожалуйста.
Alors, it's a good opportunity.
Це дуже добра можливість.
And everybody say, wow, we make a Showpiece sugar and he put the picture inside. You work also with the real picture. Huh? When you take a photography like this,
Також можна працювати з фотографією.
you can use them. Alors with your knife, after, if the paper remove a little, you remove,
Можна змінювати позицію логотипу.
can touch, remove the bubble,
Повітряні кульки теж треба.
А как сокрыло? Как сокрыло? Как сокрыло? Это же сахар. А как? Да.
Okay. Now I don't touch because
Вопрос.
A question again.
yes,
Кимбай, сахароза.
this sugar, where you can
My
buy.
English is very good.
Sorry. Alors now I want to check exactly where I can put my flour. Some flour. Okay. Where you put your flour is you bring on the top, of course. But be careful. Be careful about the symbol. Never make like this. It's not a cross. Nobody died today.
Нужно бути акуратним з символом.
Okay? Donc, I don't want to make like this, I make something like this. Okay? And I build my flower here. Okay? And you know, when you make a very nice bouquet like this, all the time you have something like that. This one, it's a ligne de fuite. Because it gives a movement, it's never finished. Okay, at the end we make. We need some leaf, okay, because the bouquet you have some leaf. Huh? And this way, huh? Sorry. Okay. And also something all the time, the leaf shares the sun all the time. Be careful and never like that. Huh? That's why it's nice, because it shares the sun.
Потому что они стремятся к солнцу.
And the baby between daddy and mommy.
Baby rose.
Yeah. Okay. You make you use a plaster. Plaster.
Можна скласти полотно.
You know, for make the wall.
Гипс, наверное.
Plaster. Between I press. Like this I have a shape. Okay.
Формы правильно.
So it's from two sides, yes, shape.
Yes, you can make different size you want. Huh?
Форма с двух сторон четверочка.
If you want, you can print only not this one, this one.
Желание может только с одной стороны.
Like this is stainless, but this one you have two sides. Yeah. Put. Okay, more.
Еще.
Еще. Bon, еще. Okay, alors wait 2 minutes now. I learn, don't worry. shape. But we have here. You can use this one and put directly in the mold. Okay, échelle. It's okay, stop. Something very thin. Give some movement like this. But we cannot. Alors, the sugar. I explain you for the ribbon. For the ribbon, I want to make a ribbon for 2 colors. Okay, it's very simple. Red, yellow. But you have 2 colors. Okay? After, you stick this one with this one. After, you cut here, like this. After, you have that. Yellow, red.
Like a candy.
This one maybe not yet because the last one we wait. Now I stay under the lamp and I start to pull. And all the time the strong color outside. Our strong color outside, yes, strong color now is red. Donc I put outside and I stick. Remember my demo? I cut and I come back under the lamp. I stick my ribbon, take care. But something happened. Here it's not regular. Okay? But you need something very, very regular. That's why at this moment you pull here, but if it's not regular, you cut. And after you can make a leaf marble. I put here. Okay. Now, same operation. I go slowly. I pull my ribbon. And I stick. Now I have red in the middle, good news. And I come back under the lamp. It's not difficult, huh? I pull my sugar, here, more large, and what I say, I need to cut. Alors, be careful when you stick your ribbon. You need to stay border, like border. You cannot put, you need to put like this, not like this, never, like this. After on the picture, chef is win. What you make chef? Oh, it's win. Remember what I say? Here it's not regular, I need to cut. But you start with 1 kilo, you finish with 10 grams. And I cut. Now you need a place. Now you go slowly. For my shoes. Normally I put my chaussure Pierre Cardin. But slowly, look, the sugar fall down a little. Donc, go slowly. Take. Okay. Don't move. Don't touch. What is that? Go to my plate now. Go. Good, but slowly. Well, we need to stop because we don't have enough table. Huh? Put on the table, not on the logo. Thank you. Oh, it's okay. I cut here. Okay. Okay. It's not difficult. Minerals. Now you need to move. Maybe we can cut this one like this. Okay, and this one for build to the middle. Okay? Okay. You have a tray? Good, huh? But you can remove the clothes. No, not too much. You pull your sugar. Okay, now I make a bowl. You see what I make? I put all inside because I need to have something very, very regular. Okay?
Нужно достичь правильной формы, поэтому заворачиваем все внутрь.
For make a wall. But also very regular. Okay? Now I put the pump inside and I close.
Засовываем насос и закрываем его.
And I can start to pump a little bit, not too much like a bear. Alors, if you have something regular, I start to make the head for the bird. Alors, this kind of bird, it's a paradise bird. You know why? Because nobody come back and say, oh chef, it's not like this in paradise. And so I have more students, he say it's not like this. Because if I say it's not it's a perroquet, for sure you have a student, he come from Hawaii and he say, oh perroquet, it's not like this.
Смысл в том, что если птичка райская, допустим, называется, допустим, изделие, то никто не может прийти и сказать, что в раю птичка не такая. Поэтому у нас 100% будет такой же, как
Похоже на кегу.
Bowl.
Now I make a big, long neck, not too big, but a long neck. Alors, bird or something. This one, you make a long travel, that's why it's Now, hey, remove. Look, be careful, I have my pump here. Huh? I need to pull a little bit like this. And now I need to make a body for my bird. I pump. What's the dosing? Huh?
Сейчас я разорвет.
It's not a female pregnant. Huh? Je sais pas tout translate. Okay, if you decide you have enough air inside, you can cut now.
Если вы считаете, что достаточно воздуха уже внутри, можно нажать на
And if you want, you can finish with your mouth like this.
Можно додуть ртом, что
But like this, I'm sure my sugar is cold now. Alors, you give. Also, it's not a dinosaur. Huh? Careful. And you give a movement. Also, you can give a movement like this, okay? Because your bird go like this. And we make a small one.
Это хобот.
No? Around 30 years. Yes, 30. But I can, you know, here, this one it's a basic program, okay? But like this for the student, you start by the base.
Сейчас мы начинаем с самого базисного, с самого основного, чтобы легче было понять.
Because the technique is the most important. Okay? Celsius. We need to make very be careful. Put a lot. Stick immediately in the middle and push. Thank you. Because it's not put some cold spray at the base. This one is liquid, okay. Same. Put your leaf flat. It's never arrive. Look, huh? When you have you are short.
Дядька, убери камеру.
Melting, and now I have enough surface for stick my sugar. Nothing fall down normally.
The big leaf.
Okay? Okay. Another one. Okay. Open, don't worry. No, because I need the cold for 5 minutes more.
Холодильничек для того, чтобы 5 минут закончить.
No, no cold, it's okay. Okay. I put maybe one here for make something very secure.
Это комар-цемент.
Okay, I put another one.
А, упадет. Это журавль.
So now,
Айс.
we need to put the baby rose. I forget something with the baby rose. You need to put
Айс. Айс это лед.
a peak.
Что странно.
In Ukraine, not yet. Don't worry, coming.
Again, please.
You have a special channel on the TV for the food?
Yes, we have.
Yes? And special channel. Yes, you have or no? Yes? On the TV.
We have different programs, culinary programs.
Ah, good. On the TV?
Yeah,
That's
some
good.
the channels, especially for.
Ah, yes. Okay. Important, we need to turn around the showpiece, okay? So you need to put sugar everywhere.
Нужно не забывать о том, что шопка это круглое изделие, оно будет оборачиваться.
Not only one side, huh?
Выглядит красиво, но со всех сторон
Okay, one. We have 5 minutes now for finish. And we are on time. Time is very important.